You were the hall monitor one time, and ever since that, you've changed.
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have.
How?
You tell on everybody every day.
No. What?
So you want to fight, bro? You want to throw hands? Well, that goes against the code of conduct, and I will be contacting the principal. Bro, you should skip school. You gonna do it? Okay, and that goes against the code of conduct, and I will be contacting the principal. Thanks for sticking up for me today against Randy. Did you call him the B word? Wow. That goes against the code of conduct, and I will be contacting the principal. Okay, well, that's a violation. Another violation. That's your third violation. Want to play a game? You just violated the code of conduct. Who will I be contacting in the morning? A, the principal. It's a bird. It's a plane. No, it's Mike, violating the code of conduct. Girl, I can't believe you wore those short shorts to school today. You look so good. Don't be mad at me, but I contacted the principal. That's a code of conduct violation.
Well, that all violates the code of conduct.
I can't respect you anymore.
You don't respect me.
No, I don't.
Well, I hate to tell you this, but that goes against the code of conduct, and I will be contacting the principal in the morning.